Okay, you did a great job, Judy, in doing your little iJot for week, I believe it was 7. Great job, and I think that's really going to add a nice touch for the students to be able to hear you talk about what to expect. And especially if you do want to do this as a fully online class, I wasn't sure if this was going to be one of them, but boy, what a difference that will make. And we'll continue to do some of those. So keep making those for every one of your chapters. It really does add a nice touch to being able to understand and listen and see you talk about that. Okay, so I'm going to create a, let's see, I guess I will do a week 9. It doesn't look like there's a week 9 learning module. So I'm going to create the learning module. Week 9. And then you can put in all the details if you want to about that learning module. And I'm going to go down to the bottom where it is and I'm going to go up to meet it with the chapter 9. So I like how we can work together like that way. So the goal is then to get everything from week 9 into the week 9 learning module. So I'm just going to put the folder in there. So that's chapter 12. So I'll just make a folder really quick. Content folder. Chapter 12. And there we go. And so your overview will be on the top there, and then your other chapters. So we don't have to make another chapter folder for the actual solutions because you already have that. So I'm going to come back down here to the folder now, and I'm going to go into the week 9 chapter 12. And so we should be able to go over here and click on Move and then browse for that. And because you have so many, sometimes it's going to take me a while to look for that. And let's see. Week 9. Okay, so week 9. So here it is, chapter 12, week 9, and it looks like I have a folder, but I'm just going to put it in here and submit and move it. Interesting how the folder is showing up. So that's successfully moved, and then I'm going to come back here and do move and move this folder and go to the same place, the learning module. I'm going to go down here to 9. Week 9. Now see, this is the learning module. This is a regular folder, but unfortunately it looks like the same thing, but it really isn't. So I'm just going to make sure I just click on that because this is a complete transcription and assignment submissions. So now everything's out of that. I'm going to go back to the learning module. And I think the point I wanted to make is if things don't move into those folders since you can't see them, once you go into the learning module and say you wanted to move some documents in here, you could actually then go in and move it from here. So for those troubled documents that were kind of outside of here, move everything in here and then move them into folders that you've created. Now the good thing about this is it looks like what you could do right here is just change the name of this to chapter 12. So actually, this is interesting, Judy. A lot of this has already been done for you, so maybe I didn't even need to make this. And then you just put your overview document above that. So the first thing that opens is an overview document. And then you have this. So I'm just going to delete this because it doesn't even seem like you need it. There's nothing in it anyway. And I notice that these folders all just moved right in, and you can just rename that and then just put your overview document, and there you go. That looks like it's done to me. So again, move everything into the learning module, and then if you need to move it into folders after that, that's how you would do it. But what's nice is it looks like some of your other chapters are all in folders already. So I hope that helps. And again, you did a really great job with your iJot. So I will talk to you soon, and let me know if you need some help, because I can help you do this and move it, and then you can just rename some of the things that you need to rename. Anyway, have fun and thanks.